Hey, my name is Ben Moisan and you're watching Ben Moisan Cooks Carbonara. I hope you enjoy. So the first step that we want to do when we're preparing this carbonara is we're going to prepare our bacon. So what we're going to do first of all is we're going to cut this bacon into some squares. I like to use a pair of scissors because this makes it nice and easy. So you want your bacon squares to be about 1 centimeter on each side. Once you've finished handling raw meat, always remember to wash your hands. Back to bacon. Okay, so I've got my chopped up bacon here in the frying pan. Now I'm gonna begin to cook this on a medium high heat. So if you've got quite lean bacon, you might actually want to add some oil to your bacon to prevent it from sticking to your frying pan. So we're going to go in with some black pepper now. Just going to season it whilst it's in the frying pan. Now I'm just going to turn down the heat a little bit and leave the bacon to sizzle away whilst I prepare the carbonara sauce. Remember to stir the bacon occasionally so that it does not stick to the frying pan. So over here I've got 2 bowls. One's going to be for our whites and the other one's going to be for our yolks. I'm going to be cracking 4 eggs into these bowls and I'm going to show you the correct technique for separating the whites. So you can crack on the side of the bowl or on the table if you prefer. I'm actually going to crack on the table because I find it slightly easier. So what we're going to do, we're going to pass the yolk from shell to shell and just remove as much egg white as possible. Okay, so that looks good. And now I'm going to go this into our container. Boom. So we've got our yolks here, and I'm just gonna, using a fork, I'm gonna whisk them together. So to our egg yolks, we're gonna add about 120 milliliters of double cream. And just mix that all together. So I'm gonna finely grate this parmesan using a box grater. Okay, so I've got my parmesan cheese here. I'm just gonna add this to our egg mixture. And now I'm gonna take a little bit of black pepper. And I'm going to add this to our egg mixture. I've got some boiling water here and I'm just going to add this to my pasta and cook the pasta according to its packet instructions. Okay, so the pasta's finished boiling, so now we're just gonna go drain it and get ready to serve up. So take the pasta and add it to the bacon in the frying pan, and then thoroughly stir it together. Now we're gonna get the egg sauce and add this to the pasta. Oh yeah. Now we're gonna serve our pasta up. Here we go. Now for the final touch, we're gonna add a little bit of black pepper.
Let me get it.